I think India should exactly do what America has done. America has passed a simple law in the Senate by which any American holding account in any foreign country, you don't have to go into treaty, they don't go into treaty. Why are we going into these treaties? We should simply say any Indian found to be holding an account about which he has not informed the government shall be punishable with a rigorous imprisonment of 10 years. Same law immediately makes every Indian who has an account abroad, because in the criminal law, the law takes into effect from the day the ordinance is passed. You can't have a retrospective effect. So what was needed to be done by the cabinet, meet a cabinet and pass a law and bring an ordinance. Third thing, let me tell you, I have very serious concerns and very serious doubts whether government has any intention whatsoever. This is a very fancy and a very some kind of a illusionary architecture that was being built by the finance minister in the entire press conference, thereby simply saying he's laying whole ground for a township and it is not needed at all. All you require is a simple ordinance. All you require is give them 90 days notice to Indians, come forward, reveal your name or face 10 years imprisonment and confiscation of your assets in India. I will not go into the other facts, let them reply to it.
A quick response, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, and then I'll go to Ajit Doval, because we've seen in the case of Hassan Ali, 2 years ago, the man is arrested, is alleged to be the largest Hawala operator. Today when the finance minister is asked, A, we know that the man is absconding, and B, we don't know, we are told that the amount which was being mentioned is grossly exaggerated.
Look, as far as an individual case is concerned, a proceeding is going on. I think if it reeks of guilt, as it appears to, you can rest assured that the man will be punished badly, fully and completely.
What about the ordinance?
No question of letting off anybody.
What about the ordinance of the law?
I don't know about the exaggeration figure. Well, the ordinance law just can't be passed in this way. There are lots of considerations. It's not so simple to pass a law saying, now just consider, you say everybody having a foreign account abroad is being called as... Now
America is passed an ordinance. America
what about retrospectivity? See,
no, what retrospective, my dear sir?
There is no question
no.
What is the
my dear sir,
America, other countries? I have no idea.
No, why can't we do? Why can't we? I think Vishwabandhu Gupta is raising a relevant question. Why can't we do what the Americans have done? Toughen our own laws.
Exactly.
We can certainly, if there is I mean, this is a proposal that's coming on television. There are angles to it. There is
this is a simple common sense.
It be looked into. It's not so simple as that. I don't think it's as simple as that at all.
No, it is very simple.
I don't. If you declare every account holder abroad illegal.
Yes.
Who has not informed the government?
The past will be recovered.
Okay, let me bring
number of issues of retrospectivity, number of issues of details to be worked out.
No.